Hello children, welcome to Sanvi Naveen channel. So today we are doing from Saral Bhasha. For CBSE schools, this will be 3rd standard. For CBSE syllabus, if you are taken, this is for 3rd standard. If you are taken ICSE syllabus, this is for 4th standard. Okay children, so let's start. I didn't get the textbook children, so I just took from one student and I just did the Xerox of that. Okay, so let's start. The lesson 1, the part 8 is Vinati. Vinati means what? When after daily after bath we'll do Vinati with the God, right? God, I should be good in all enough, right? Give me good health, wealth, everything, right? That one, Vinati. पढ़िए और समझिए, read and understand. विनती, उजियारा, सुंदर, वरदान, अंधियारा, अच्छा, मन, विहान, आनंदित, सुख, न्यारे, इंसान. Okay, so let's start. विनती करते हैं भगवान, ऐसा दो हमको वरदान. Hey God, we will do the prayer. You just Vardhan means what we can say, the wish. Okay, give us wish, give us blessing like that. मन लगाकर करे पढ़ाई, आपस में न करे लड़ाई. फैला दे सुख का उजियारा, दूर करे दुख का अंधियारा. लाए जग में नया विहान, ऐसा दो हमको वरदान. So these kids are telling. So these kids, not these kids, all the kids will pray for the God, right? What they will pray? Man lagakar kare padhai. Always we have to we have to give 100% when we are studying, right? That one. Aapas mein na kare ladai. We should not fight in between. We should not fight each other. Faila de sukh ka ujiyara. We should spread all over the happiness. We should spread happiness all over the world. दूर करे दुख का अंधियारा. अंधियारा means the darkness. We have to erase, we have to wipe all the darkness from the world. लाए जग में नया विहान, ऐसा दो हमको वरदान. लाए जग में नया विहान. We have to, like rules and regulation like that, we have to spread all over the world like that. Please bless us. Like that, give wish to us. Like that, all the kids are praying to the God. मन लगाकर करे पढ़ाई. पढ़ाई मीन्स स्टडी. आपस में न करे लड़ाई, फाइट. फैला दे सुख का उजियारा, हैप्पीनेस. दूर करे दुख का अंधियारा. लाए जग में नया विहान, ऐसा दो हमको वरदान. So all the kids are telling, hey God, we have to give 100% when we are studying. We have to give full concentration when we are studying. And we should not fight each other. Always we should spread all over the happiness, and we should erase all the sadness, all the darkness. Always we have to take a new, come up with a life. And like that you please give a blessing like that, God. तुमने सूरज चांद बनाए, तरह तरह के फूल खिलाए. You only make that Suraj Chand. Suraj means sun, Chand means moon. So the kids are telling to the God, you only did, right? You only made the moon and sun. Tara tara ke phool khilaye. You only blooming all colorful, beautiful flowers. Hum bhi kaam kare kuch nyare. We will also do some good works. Yes, everything you will only do, no God, no, right? We will also do some good works. Sundar achhe pyare pyare. Sundar means beautiful, good. You give blessing to us also, God. We will also do the good works to you. Anandit ho sab insan. Insan means the people. So Anandit, everyone should be happy. All the people should be happy. Aisa do humko vardhan. Like that you give bless to us. Like that you give a wish to us. So you only made sun and moon. And you only blooming all the beautiful, colorful flowers. हम भी काम करें कुछ न्यारे. We will also do some good works, God. And all the good works will be beautiful. All the good works will be good, better. And with that, all the works and all, everyone will be very happy. All the people will be very happy. Like that like that you bless us. Okay, like that they are telling. Word meaning: vinati, prarthana, prayer. Vardhan, kripa, boon. Ujiyara, ujala, light. Andhiyara, andhera, darkness. Vihan, savera, morning. Nyara, anokha, extraordinary, extraordinary. Sundar, खूबसूरत, beautiful. Anandit, खुश, happy. Exercise. Actually, I had got some cough and cold, children. That's why I can't. Okay, I can't able to that. Sorry to tell you that. मौखिक, oral. सोचिए और बताइए. Think and tell. बच्चे भगवान से क्या विनती कर रहे हैं? So what they are telling, what they are praying to the God, the kids. The children, what they are praying to the God. That one you have to write. कवि बच्चों को क्या करने से मना कर रहा है? कवि बच्चों को, कवि means the poet. So कवि, what poet is telling not to do to the children. हमें कैसा अंधियारा दूर करना है? How we should erase, how we should vanish all the darkness from the world. That one you have to write. लिखित, written. सही उत्तर पर सही का निशाना लगाइए. बच्चे कैसे उजाला फैलाना चाहते हैं? हाउ द किड्स विल like spread all over the lights. सुख का, all over the सुख का means happiness. They want to spread all over the happiness. बच्चे जग में क्या लाना चाहते हैं? what they want to come up with in their life. नया विहान means a new morning. भगवान ने क्या खिलाया है? what भगवान खिलाया means blooming. what God was blooming? the fool means flower. next, कविता की पंक्तियों को पूरी कीजिए means you have to complete these lines. okay, उचित शब्द चुनकर खाली स्थान भरिए. you have to see the proper word and you have to fill it. बच्चे भगवान से वरदान मांग रहे हैं. आपस में कभी लड़ाई नहीं करनी चाहिए. दुख का अंधियारा दूर कर देना चाहिए. भगवान ने सुंदर फूल खिलाए हैं. नेक्स्ट, दिए गए शब्दों से वाक्य बनाइए. यू हैव टू मेक अ सेंटेंस विद दीज वर्ड्स. विनती, हमें भगवान से विनती करनी चाहिए. विनती मीन्स प्रेयर. ओके, वी हैव टू प्रे विद for our God, right? Next, vardhan means blessing or wish. बच्चे वरदान मांग रहे हैं. so the children are asking for the wish. Children are asking for the blessing. उजियारा, घर में रात के समय उजियारा होना चाहिए. उजियारा means the light. whenever, if at night obviously at your home all the lights will be on, right? that one. सूरज शाम को चला जाता है. सूरज means the sun. The sun will he will set in the evening, right? that one. न्यारा, हमेशा भारत न्यारा है. हमारा भारत न्यारा है. न्यारा means beautiful. our India is very beautiful. निम्नलिखित प्रश्नों के उत्तर दीजिए. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. हमें मन लगाकर क्या करना चाहिए? what we have to do with full of our heart. दुख को किसके जैसे बताया गया है? what they have told for the दुख word. दुख means sad. what they have said about this. हमें कैसे काम करने चाहिए? what type of work we have to do. भगवान के द्वारा बनाई गई चीजें कौन कौन सी है? what all made up from the God, like natural things. okay, knowledge of grammar. जब स्वरों को व्यंजनों के साथ मिलकर लिखा जाता है तो उनके स्थान पर उनके चिन्ह का प्रयोग किया जाता है. स्वरों के इन्हीं चिन्हों को मात्राएं कहते हैं. करेक्ट नो? द 12 खड़ी, 10 खड़ी विल कॉल नो, दैट वन दे आर टेलिंग. नीचे दी गई मात्रा वाले शब्द कविता में से चुन कर लिखिए. आइडेंटिफाई एंड राइट द गिवन मात्रा वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द पोम. आ की मात्रा भगवान, वरदान. व में आ की मात्रा है और द में भी आ की मात्रा है. ई की मात्रा विनती, विहान. ऊ की मात्रा सुंदर, खुश. ऊ की मात्रा सूरज, फूल. ए की मात्रा न्यारे, प्यारे. ओके, नेक्स्ट, दिए गए शब्दों में सही मात्रा लगाकर शब्द पूरे कीजिए. Complete the words by putting the correct matra in the given words. This is see chadiya. It's not chadiya, right? It's chidiya. Sandar. It's not sandar. It's sundar. Vardhan. It's not vardhan. It's vardhan. Anand. It's not anand. It's anand. Kapa. It's not kapa. It's krupa. Re ki matra is there. It's not vanati. It's vinati. निम्नलिखित शब्दों को शुद्ध करके लिखिए. Write the given words in their correct form. See here, सूरज. सूरज not छोटे ऊ की मात्रा. It's बड़े ऊ की मात्रा. Right? This is wrong. This is correct. सूरज. This is here. पढ़ाई. This is not पढ़ाई. This is पढ़ाई. This is see लड़ाई. No, it's not लड़ाई. It's लड़ाई. Pool. It's not pool. It's pool. Check the matra, children. It's not this r. It's not var. It's vardhan. We have to write vardhan like this, not like this. This one. Sundar. Sundar. Right? This is correct only, no? But here, what you have to see? Here, Bindu is there and here Chandra Bindu is there. Okay? That one. Okay, that's it. And here they have given the summary of this. This is very important. You can take this one as in question answer also. Okay, children. That's it for today's video. Again, we'll meet in next video. So we have done with today, that is Vinati. Right? That's it, children. Thank you so much. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Kindly share maximum parents, children. Okay, that's it, children. Bye bye. Take care. This channel only for Kannada and Hindi. Sanvi Naveen signing off. Bye bye.